If somebody commented the other day saying, oh, I've got 15k, can I put 5k on this poly market bet? And I said, look, if you've only got 15k, you can't afford to gamble, right? That's the absolute truth of the matter. Now, I've seen a lot of you saying, oh, I threw $100, $200, I get 5k if I'm right. That's what I'm talking about, right? We can afford to risk $100 to make 5k. But don't be betting the farm on some anonymous camel on the internet with laser eyes that openly admits to smoking crack. Happy days, right? The metals are still printing money for us, so we're just pushing the trades until they break down and then we'll take the profit. Bitcoin, as we said a million times, it should be time to sit up here and pay attention, but we'll keep an openness, of course, to this thing printing another low somewhere in the middle of this window, and then this being a whole 60-day cycle low, okay? Because like any indicator, the thing can change its mind, okay? Your MACD can cross and then uncross again. You can get a Brexit cross down the bottom, like this one here, where you get the making of a Brexit cross and then it fails and rolls over before then printing the real signal, okay? Any indicator can give false signals, and this is not immune from that. But for now, it's an extremely important piece of data. In the worst case scenario, we get a pullback here inside the window and we go, oh, there's the day 60 low, okay? Time to back that, time to structure a trade around that, time to wait for the indicator to pick that as confluence and go again. Pretty straightforward stuff if you have a system and stick to the system. I think the next week's going to be a real important week for the Camel Crew. We will get to see if the whole rate cut idea of mine can come to fruition.